How to fix 7-zip menu
missing from right click menu
in Windows 11. That's what we're going to do in today's video. But first, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write down below in the comment section any suggestion or question that you have. Also, make sure to watch our previous videos and tutorials. We have playlists for many apps, and let's get started. So what's first the 7-zip menu? When you right click on any item on Windows and then go to show more options, and here in this menu we're gonna find the 7-zip menu. In the 7-zip menu you have many options to choose from. You can compress, you can create a new zip file and stuff like this, and for other zip files you can uncompress them, and also you can uncompress multiple zip files. But for some people this 7-zip menu is not appearing when right clicking. So if that's the case with you, what we're gonna do now may be the solution. So go to the start menu, then type here 7-zip. Here is 7-zip file manager. Wait for it to load and click on run as administrator. Click on yes, then go to tools and click on options, and then go to 7-zip panel from here, and here is the two options responsible for appearing or disappearing of the 7-zip menu in the right click menu. If you untick it, it's now not gonna be appearing, and if you tick it, it's now gonna be appearing. And here is the option for the 32-bit version, as you can see. So if we untick this and click on apply, there is no 7-zip menu. Let's again integrate it, and now here is the 7-zip menu. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write down below in the comment section any suggestion or question that you have, and have a nice day.